Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing the Demelan cream. This is not a sponsored video. Obviously nobody sponsors some medicine, I guess. So I'm gonna be sharing my personal experience on using the Demelan cream because I developed dark spots on my forehead. So I'm not a dermatologist, I'm just sharing my experience because it worked for me. So it might work for you if your conditions resonate with mine. And because a lot of people have mentioned in the reviews of the cream that it worked for me, it didn't work for me, but it worked for me. So I'll let you know what is my skin type and how did I use it, so that if you also have the same issue, you could get a solution to it. So I'm a dark folk, like I have a dark color skin, and I have a dry skin, and this hyperpigmentation was caused on my forehead, and also not because I popped my pimples. It went naturally, but still I'm not sure why, but I still developed some pigmentation on my forehead, and it was really dark, so it was not looking good. That's why I started looking for a solution, because look, if it would have been slightly lighter, I might have not given any fuck. So it worked for me. So before sleeping, I used to apply it in my affected areas, as in wherever the dark spots were. I applied it there, and in the morning you can do a face wash or whatever. But also I applied aloe vera gel because this Demelan cream makes your skin very dry. My skin is already very dry, and it still managed to make it even drier. So I would suggest you to apply a face moisturizer, not with the cream. Like if you are applying it overnight, then in the morning whenever you do your grooming or whatever, I would suggest you applying a face moisturizer. Also, one important thing that you do apply is sunscreen. I apply sunscreen daily. I would also suggest you to apply sunscreen because this reduces your production of melanin, and melanin is the product or pigment. It's basically the substance which is used to protect your skin against sun. So definitely apply sunscreen. Otherwise, it might even burn the areas that you have applied Demelan to. So sunscreen is a must. And if you have, I am not sure of the oily skin. About dry skin, it makes your skin even drier. So I would suggest applying a face moisturizer. I personally use aloe vera gel because that is a natural product and it suits me well. So that is one thing. So yeah, that is all I wanted to share in this video. So I'm not a dermatologist again. I just wanted to share my personal experience because I have a dark color skin, I have dry skin, and it worked, and Demelan cream worked for me. And you definitely apply a sunscreen and aloe vera gel or a face moisturizer, whatever is present with you. So if you have similar situation as me, it might work for you as well. And like, it worked for me like in a week. Just in a week, the spots started fading away. And I'm assuming if I apply it for one more week, it would just match with my skin. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this video. Hope you like this video, and please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching the video.